So for me, a fixed gear bike is the ultimate expression of freedom. It takes me where I want to go on my own terms. And because it's fixed gear and it's a direct drive bicycle, I really feel like I'm connected with the bike.
To me, a fixed gear bike is a very simple key to see the world. It's a really simple machine that you can take apart and put back together really easily. And for me, it's something that opened up a lot of doors.
But I feel after I started riding brakeless bikes, you never stop, but you can find peace. For me, it's like the closest to the universe. Universe never stops.
Chengdu, 给我一点声音好吗？ Everybody from Europe!